You want to speak English fluently, but you have one huge problem. You don't have anyone to practice with. No native speakers around. Your friends get awkward when you try speaking English, and language exchange apps are full of people who ghost you after 2 days. Sound familiar? Here's the truth. You do not need a partner to become fluent. In fact, practicing solo often builds confidence faster because there's zero pressure and zero judgment. Today, I'm sharing 4 step-by-step techniques you can start using today to speak fluent English entirely on your own. Step 1. The shadowing technique. Visual, on-screen text. 1. Shadowing. Show a brief demonstration on screen. First up is a single best method for fixing your accent and pronunciation. Shadowing. Shadowing isn't just repeating words after someone. It's copying a speaker's pitch, speed, and pauses with almost zero delay, like a shadow following a person. Here's how you do it. Find a short 30-second audio clip from a podcast, movie, or YouTube video. Listen to it once with subtitles. Play it again, but this time, speak out loud at the exact same time as the speaker. Don't pause the video. Force your mouth and tongue to mimic the natural rhythm of English. Do this for 5 minutes a day, and your muscle memory will completely transform. Step 2. The self-talk protocol. Step 2. Talk to yourself out loud like a vlogger. Most people struggle to speak because they spend all day translating from their native language into English in their head. To fix this, you need to train your brain to think in English. Start narrating what you're doing in real time. Okay, right now I'm making coffee. I need to find my favorite mug. Where did I leave it? Here it is. It sounds silly, but it forces your brain to bridge the gap between basic thoughts and active English vocabulary without the stress of an audience. Now, how do you know if you're actually getting better without someone correcting you? That brings us to step 3, record and audit. Pick a topic, like summarize your day or explaining your favorite movie, and record a 1-minute voice note on your phone. Then listen back. Did you hesitate too much? Did you repeat the word, 10 times? Were there words you struggled to pronounce? Spotting your own mistakes is a superpower. Every time you listen back, you catch errors you never noticed while actually talking. Finally, if you want to eliminate pauses and speak instantly, try the 4-3-2 technique. Round 1. Speak about any topic out loud for 4 minutes. Round 2. Speak about the exact same topic for 3 minutes. Round 3. Do it again in 2 minutes. Because you have less time each round, your brain automatically cuts out filler words, speeds up your recall, and forces you to speak fluidly. It's like a sprint workout for your English fluency. You don't need a study buddy, an expensive tutor, or a trip abroad to speak fluent English. You just need consistency and the right solo strategies. Try just one of these methods today for 10 minutes. Which technique are you going to try first? Let me know in the comment below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more practical English learning tips. See you next time.